It's a mega scoop in the Sushant case. Times Now has accessed the detailed forensics report from the Kalina lab. Forensic experts have found no toxic substance from the viscera of Sushant Singh Rajput. Forensic experts say that the post-mortem was done after 12 hours of death, which could have led to a situation where anything intoxicated material could not have been found. Is this the reason why the post-mortem was delayed? Remember, the panel of doctors that conducted the post-mortem had blamed the Mumbai police when they were confronted by the CBI. Was Mumbai police orchestrating all of this? We don't know. It is under the radar of the CBI, but this is a massive disclosure now. The forensic experts at the Kalina CFSL lab have found no toxic substance from the viscera of Sushant Singh Rajput, but they have gone on to say that the delay of 12 hours in conducting the autopsy could be one of the reasons. Priyank, what do you make of this?
See, Prince, we have just spoken to the senior, forensic expert of this Kalina lab. I'll tell you, we are standing outside this Kalina lab, which received the samples from the Mumbai police officials, and at this lab only, which is one of the, the center of all the forensic examination in the state of Maharashtra. What doctors are saying that there is no toxic, evidence which has been found, or no kind of poison which has been found at various stages of the check of poison which has been done at this particular lab. But interestingly, what the doctors have told us that if there is delay of more than 6 hours in collecting the sample from the body of an individual, then that could lead to a scenario where the doctors would not be in a position in the stage of instrumental test to find that there could be a possibility of toxic or any kind of evidence found. What doctors are telling us that 80% of the samples, Pranesh, which was sent by the forensic experts of the Cooper hospital to this particular hospital by Maharashtra police has been exhausted, and there is 20 to 25% of the sample of viscera which has been taken from various parts of the body is left with this lab. And one more important thing, that in this particular case, the Kalina forensic experts have also saved the DNA sample of Sushant Singh Rajput, knowing the fact that there could be a big controversy, because from the very first day, the manner in which things were turning up, the doctors and the forensic experts had this clue that there could be fingers raised on their report also. So what they have done, that they have saved the DNA sample of Sushant Singh Rajput along with this viscera sample which is with them. One thing which I can sense out after talking to them, Pranesh, that there could be a discrepancy in the time, or there could be a delay in the time period of Sushant's body which was found, because we have been pointing out, and what AIIMS forensic experts have also told us, that the time of death is not mentioned in the post-mortem copy of Sushant Singh Rajput, and hence the body has already been cremated. There is no other way to find out that Sushant was alive till when. What we know, that around 12 to 12:30, the friends of Sushant, who allegedly claim to be friends, although their conduct is also very dubious, Pranesh, they informed the key maker and also informed one of the sister of Sushant, Meetu, to come to their place. But what happened before that? As the neighbors have also told us, that very shockingly, the lights of Sushant's room were off from 10:30 to 10:30 on 13th night, which means that Sushant slept much before that. Whether there was any individual who came to his house or not, that could only be found out when
we'll come to all of that, Priyan, but let's focus on this. Focus on the scoop that we've got. No trace of organic, inorganic or any kind of poison found. Is this because of the delay in conducting the post-mortem? Priyan, you've spoken to the panel of doctors also, and not one, several times. What is the sense that you're getting?
Yes, Pranesh. We were the first one to talk to the doctors, 5-member panel of Cooper Hospital, because our investigation is based on the scientific method. We have been talking about the CDRs. We have been talking about how the mobile phone, data of Disha Salian was also being used even after her death. And once again, Times Now is again back on the scientific way of probing this particular case. That led to coming to this particular institution, which is known as the Directorate of Forensic Science Laboratory, Home Department of Mumbai, where we managed to talk to the senior officials of this particular lab. There are few things which our viewer need to understand. One, the time of death, which has not been mentioned in the post-mortem of Cooper Hospital, is the biggest hurdle for the agencies also to find out that what was the exact time of death of Sushant Singh Rajput. That is important because if no one knows that what is the exact time of death of Sushant Singh Rajput, so the time period of the agencies widen up. They will have to monitor the CCTV footage second by second, looking at all those people who would have entered in the building of Sushant. It is also important to note that there was no CCTV footage, according to Mumbai police, on the 6th and 7th floor of Sushant's house. There was only one CCTV camera, which was at the entrance of Sushant's house. Sushant's house is opposite sea, so we again can't find any CCTV footage. And these are the clinching evidences which can establish that whether there was someone, any individual who came from outside, or it was a role of insider, or Sushant himself hung.